let's see the meaning of in, at and on. Okay, so this video is especially for those students who were regularly asking for me for this video. Okay, so in, at and on. Usually I teach this with an illustration. Okay, so this is an object and this is an object, right? So on, pen is on the book. Okay, then in, pen is in the book. Okay, and this is at. Okay, I hope this makes a good idea of what is in, at and on. Both like all the three words are used for the prepositions of place as well as in the prepositions of time. Okay, so similarly the meaning makes it clear where the object is. Okay, like if it is above it, this is on. If it's inside, this is in. And if it's like similarly on the subject area, then it's at. Okay, so if you have any difficulties, do make sentences and post it in the comment box. I will be looking at it and will be letting you know what is correct. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment.